This is it. Time for a travelling video. We're up early today because a few of my friends and I are going down to Eagle Bay for the week. If you're not familiar with Eagle Bay, it's just north of Margaret River. So it's just that Margaret River region area. It's close to Dunsborough. So if you're familiar with Dunsborough, it's a beautiful spot. A lot of nice beaches and other activities which you'll see in this vlog. Yeah, it's gonna be a really fun trip. We've planned it for a few months now. Last year's been a bit hectic for me. So whenever my friends have asked me, oh, are you excited for this trip? You excited for this trip? My honest answer was no. I had a bad patch around the end of last year that I just wanted over and done with. My mindset wasn't the most positive at the end of last year, and now that it's 2022, I've come to the realization that a lot of people experience the same. The same being that not many people had the best 2021. Now finally I get to have some time off. I'm really looking forward to some time off. There's about 8 of us going, so it should be a very fun trip. But I'll try to record at least one clip of everything we do down there, but no promises, because obviously I don't want to come across like I'm intruding that, you know, it's their trip as well. I don't want to have a camera in their face the whole time. I have to respect their boundaries, and I hope you guys understand that as well. You know, I want to make the most of it. I'm about to head to Shan's now. Gotta just shape up a bit, shape up a bit, shave before I go down. After I've done all that, I'll head to Shan's so we can start packing the car. I hope you enjoy seeing my week away with friends.
Baby, so go. Baby, so go. Baby, so go.
Let's go look it up then.
Stopped off at Coles to get some groceries for a taco night.
Nice shot!
Jesus.
First day we've woken up officially. We had dinner last night. It was a massive cook up. Everyone's sitting at the table. We started playing a few card games. So we played, I don't know if you guys have heard, Stuff Happens. It's basically, you start with 3 cards. It has like a misery index, and it'll show like between
0.1 and 100 of how bad it is in reality. You have to match it up, whether it's before the first card, after the first card, after the second card, or after the third card, of how bad the situation is compared to your cards. So everyone's cards are different. And yeah, I got that for Christmas and we loved it. You know, played a full game of that. We played What Do You Mean, which everyone loved as well. Played a full game of that. And then we organised a day for today. Everyone went to bed. Now, waking up for a new day to do a little bit of a workout because no gym around. We've got to keep active somehow. I think Leon and DJ are at the beach and they're working out, so it's good that they're keeping active as well. I think they woke up quite early to do that.
Boats to carry the boats. You know me. Morning, champ.
Alright, we're all together doing the maze for today. Alright, at the start of the maze, we're going in couples. I'm with Sean.
You gonna...
You know I'll always keep on coming back to you. Even when the road gets tough, you're enough. I don't know how I deserve you. You know I'll always keep on coming back to you. Back to you. Back to you. Even when the road gets tough, you're enough. I don't know how I deserve you. You know I'll always keep on coming back to you. Back to you.
I'll take a break for this. You just pull focus like that.
Oh yeah! You know I'll always keep on coming back to you.
From here we had a night in after such a big day and had some drinking games amongst ourselves.
Oh, what a good friend.
Jesus Christ.
Yes, it was fully booked up. All of us were starving, so decided to go to the same place Sean and I went for our His v Hers. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out. Oh, Riley!
Why you keeping me waiting? All I wanna be.
Oh, I want to go there now.
Why you keeping me waiting?
Oh, there's a massive wave! NANI?! Oh! Oh! PJ! Woo!
Get out of there, bro. Please go away.
It was way too dark to record last night, but we just went to the beach as a group and had a little bit of a night swim before our last night. On our way out, we stopped at a Viva Cafe. Some of us ordered the breakfast burrito, which basically was like a green tortilla with like 6 eggs in it. It was definitely overkill. And on our way home, we stopped off at Buswell and Jetty Beach for a quick refreshment. And it looks like that concludes the trip. I can guarantee you a lot of time and effort will go into the editing of this video, so please press the like button to show your support. Even better, subscribe if you haven't. And I'm gonna ask you to share the video. Share it with friends who want to go down south, and you can show them the video for some ideas of what to do. Share the video with your family or whoever you think will enjoy the video. So if you know someone like a brother or sister who you think will like this video, just send it over to them. It will help me out, it'll help them out. I'm just trying to work on that exposure as well. Only having my account for just under 2 months now, I'm still grinding to get that subscriber count. So it would mean a lot for this video or even my channel in general. I'm still yet to have multiple different type of videos hitting your screen. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I definitely loved filming it, and I'll see you later.